Dracula. So this is part of the Halloween series. So you have this that will be part of the cape. Let's see, it's probably facing this way. So this will be on the right side, and then we'll use this to get the left side. You go like this. So what you notice is like this will be a little curved here, while this is straight, because this is the part that we're going to be pasting on behind. So this will be the for the hair. So we have this curve that will cover the top of the hair, and then we have this shaped just like so. So for the ear, this is what we have: a pointy ear that will have. The way I'm going to do this is I have the black and then the yellow that will be on top of it. So this will be for the right and the left. And then you have your eyebrow, and this will form the eye. So for the eye, so we're going to have three pieces, right? So the black one, the white portion of this, and then this red that will form in the middle of the eye, just like so. And this will be for the mouth. So with all of these, having the black on the background and then something else on the top. So for the cape and the mouth, this is the way this is gonna go. The red that's gonna go on the top. For the ear, it was the yellow. And then finally, what else do we have here? We have the nose. So the nose is just cut up like so, a little pointy, and this will be for the nose. Oh, not to forget, you have the fan right here. Okay, so let's get started. So to start, I'm going to do the cape. So we could put these on the side. So when you do the cape, just make sure you have the curve sides going with each other. So we have this curve right here that's gonna go on this curve black, so you could have it like so. So this will be for the left side, and we do the same for the right side. Okay, so we put this on. Okay, so we put this on the side over here. So next, let's do the eye assemblies. So for the eyes, we're going to put the white on the black first. So this will be the the right eye. So this pointy side is going to be coming in. So to complete, we put in the dot. Okay, so this will be the right eye. So next, let's do the left. Next, we're going to put this right here. That's going to complete the eye assembly. Just like so. So next, let's do the ear. So for the ear, it's going to go like this. So this is the portion that's going to go underneath the plate. So I'm just putting these right on the edge like this. Okay, that's the right side. we'll do the left side as well. Okay, so that's it for the assemble parts. So now let's start putting them on. So let's start off with the head. So for this, okay, so I think we have enough glue. Let's put that right at the top. Okay, this is a little tricky. So for this, you may have to improvise a little bit because it's not fitting as I thought. Okay, so you can see that you may have to play with this a little bit to just get it to where it will look somewhat good. So maybe one thing to do is to maybe lift this up on the edge like so. And I think that should be sufficient for now. So when you cut yours, so you have to take this into account, that this will not fit in perfectly. Maybe you have to make it a little bigger. Okay, so now let's do the ear. So for the ear, it's coming in the back, so you have to be a little generous with the glue. So the ear will go right over here. And because of the way this came out, you can actually put the ear in the front. So let's just wipe this and improvise a little bit. So just because of the way that this head ended up coming out in the end, it might look better to just have this go over here instead. So as you would have seen, this was meant to go underneath, but let's just try it at the top and see how that looks in the end. Okay, so we have the ear. So next, let's put the eye. So remember the eye, this curved portion will come in. So that's the left, and now we put on the right. So we left room to put in the lid, which we'll do next. So this will go this way. So I think I missed this when I was talking about the parts that was needed. So you do need the eyelids. So here's the other one. Well, actually, another mistake. This should go on the other side. So hopefully when you do yours, you wouldn't be making all these silly mistakes that I'm making. So this one will go this way. Okay, so next up, let's put on the mount. So this will go on top of that, and then we'll put on the mount after. So we paste this on. Okay, and now we'll put on the mount. Since we're here, we could put on the fan nest. So this will go right here, and this one will go over here like so. Okay, so that will make it stick. Okay, there we go. All right, so next we put on the nose. All right, you can see it's already coming together. And last but not least, we put on the capes. So for this, we'll do the left first. Again, because this is going underneath, we'll be a little generous with the glue. So this will go right over here. And then we'll put on this other one. So this is already falling off. So we just have to put a little more glue and make sure it stays on. And then a little more glue on this, and then we'll paste this on. Okay, regardless with the mistake that was made, it still came out quite okay. So there you go, Dracula.